Question is, how long will it take an investment at 4.25% interest compounded monthly to triple? Okay, compounded monthly means I need this formula, A equal P times 1 plus R over N to the NT. Monthly means N is going to be 12. Okay, so now if I start putting in the information that I have, 1 plus, my rate is 0.0425 over 12 for N. I do not know T because I'm asked how long, but I know again that N is 12. Okay, now I am not told an amount that's invested, so that's going to stay P. At the end, I want triple what I started with, so that will be 3P. Okay, now this has two variables that I can divide by my P on both sides, and I end up with 3 equaling 1 plus 0.0425 over 12 to the 12T. Shortcuts you can use to get to this when you don't have an amount but you're dealing with tripling or doubling or whatever. Since it's triple, I'll end up with a 3 on this side. And then on the right side, I get just the exponential. No coefficient in front, just the exponential if I'm using this shortcut. The other option is to plug in your favorite specific number for P and then A double that. And a great number to use is 1, because you end up with 1 times 1 plus 0.0425 over 12 to the 12T. Tripling 1 gives you 3, and that is the exact same equation as this. Okay, so now to solve. I can put this in the calculator. I assume that's probably what you're going to want to do because it's a little bit cleaner. However, you have to keep all of the decimal places. You cannot round until the very end. So you're now stuck with writing 0.003541667 to the 12T. If you want, you can just keep it as 1 plus 0.0425 over 12. Probably about the same amount of writing. Either way is fine, but do not round this number. Okay, now to solve I need natural logs. So take the log of each side of the equation. Log properties on the right hand side, this is log base E, and my exponential is not base E, so all I can do is bring my exponent of 12T out in front. And then now, to solve for T, I'm going to divide both sides by 12 natural logs of this number. Okay, now I'm going to put that in my calculator. I've got natural log of 3 into the parentheses, divided by, there is a multiplication in my denominator, so I've got to have parentheses, 12 natural log of, now I look at my screen and I see I already have that number sitting there that I want to put inside my logarithm. Second, the negative sign above it, it says ANS. It takes your previous answer, which is what I want. And I get, let's see, 25.895, so rounded to 2 decimal places, it's going to be 25.90, and this is in years. So that means it doesn't matter how much you're investing. If you invest $1 million, it'll take almost 26 years for that to triple to $3 million. If you invest a penny, it's going to take almost 26 years for that to triple to be 3 cents. Okay, the amount you invest does not matter for a tripling time or doubling time or whatever. It's all dependent on how much the compounding is done and your interest rate.